Ano yung established communication ground rules or rules of engagement? I just want to spend a little bit of time on this. Dito sa aking team, meron kaming mga ground rules. Ano yun? Una, pag hindi mo naintindihan, dapat magtanong ka. It is your responsibility to ask questions. Second, uh, kapag ka meron kang issue na nakikita, you have to raise it. You have to raise it. You have to discuss it. During meeting, if we go to a meeting, you have to be 100% engaged during the meeting. Bawal mag-multitasking. Pagka meron debate or argument, attack the problem, do not attack the person. At ang aming pinaka-importanting ground rule sa communication, ang meeting na walang merienda should be an email. Totoo yun, ha? Pag may meeting, dapat may merienda. Yun yung norm namin sa aming team. What should be your norm? It depends on the personality of your team. So how do you build your communication ground rules? Sit down with your team and agree on how you're going to facilitate communication within the team, no?